Preparing rental properties for icy conditions is essential for keeping tenants safe, protecting property value, and avoiding potential liabilities. Winter brings unique challenges, and a proactive approach to snow and ice management can make a big difference in maintaining a well-kept, functional property. Today, we're going to cover some key strategies for managing snow and ice at your rental properties, ensuring they're safe, accessible, and ready for the colder months. By following these tips, you can avoid many common winter pitfalls, save money on repairs, and give your tenants peace of mind. The first step in snow and ice management is to have a solid plan in place before the first snowfall. Planning ahead allows you to coordinate resources, set clear expectations, and avoid last-minute scrambling when winter weather hits. Start by arranging snow removal services early. Many companies book up quickly, especially if winter arrives sooner than expected. Having a reliable contractor lined up ensures that walkways, driveways, and parking areas are cleared promptly, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Make sure you discuss expectations, such as how soon after snowfall they'll clear paths, which areas to prioritize, and what equipment they'll be using. A clear plan with your snow removal service gives you confidence that the property will remain accessible and safe. Next, focus on de-icing solutions. Icy walkways, stairs, and entrances can become a hazard fast, so stocking up on de-icing materials is a must. Rock salt, sand, and eco-friendly ice melt are effective at breaking down ice and providing traction. Consider placing a bucket of sand or salt near entryways so tenants can add some themselves if needed. Applying de-icer before a storm hits can prevent ice from bonding to the pavement, making removal easier. However, make sure to choose materials that won't damage concrete or harm landscaping. Some de-icers can be tough on plants and sidewalks, so look for products labeled safe for these surfaces. By keeping de-icing materials handy, you stay prepared and proactive against ice buildup. Another critical task is to inspect and maintain gutters and downspouts. Clogged gutters can cause major problems in winter. When water has nowhere to go, it can freeze and create ice dams, leading to roof damage and leaks. Before winter, clean out all gutters and downspouts, removing leaves, dirt, and any other debris. Ensure that downspouts direct water away from walkways, driveways, and the foundation to prevent refreezing in these areas. If necessary, consider installing gutter guards to keep debris out throughout the season. Properly maintained gutters reduce the risk of ice dams and protect your property from water damage. In addition to gutters, check the roof for any loose or damaged shingles. Snow and ice can be heavy, and if the roof isn't in good condition, it's more susceptible to leaks and structural issues. Repair or replace any damaged areas before winter hits. For flat roofs, ensure that drains are clear so that melted snow can drain properly. Also, consider adding insulation to the attic, which helps prevent ice dams by keeping the roof at a consistent temperature. An insulated roof reduces the risk of snow melting and refreezing at the edges, helping you avoid costly damage and maintenance down the line. Entryways are another area to prioritize in winter. Wet, icy shoes can make floors slippery, creating a hazard indoors. Adding mats at entry points helps catch water and dirt, preventing them from being tracked throughout the property. Make sure mats are large enough to accommodate several people, and consider using ones with textured surfaces for added traction. These small additions can keep interiors cleaner and reduce the risk of indoor slips, making the property safer and more comfortable. Regular communication with tenants is also key to effective winter management. Let tenants know what they can expect in terms of snow and ice removal, and provide guidelines on any steps they can take to help maintain safety. For example, inform them about where to find salt or sand, encourage them to wipe their feet before entering, and let them know who to contact for any winter-related maintenance issues. This proactive communication shows tenants that you're on top of winter preparation and keeps everyone informed. A well-informed tenant is more likely to follow guidelines and help maintain a safe environment. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we handle all aspects of winter property maintenance, from snow removal coordination to de-icing and tenant communication. We make winter management easy, ensuring that properties remain safe, accessible, and protected from winter damage. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To summarize, preparing rental properties for icy conditions involves having a snow removal plan, using de-icers effectively, maintaining gutters and roofs, safeguarding entryways, and communicating with tenants. By following these steps, you keep your property safe, protect its value, and provide tenants with a comfortable winter experience. If you need help with winter property management, Alpine Property Management. Kansas City is here to ensure your property is well cared for, no matter the season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.